Okay, what is the most Manipal thing that you have done in Manipal?
Walking around in rain at night is the best thing I like to do in Manipal.
Yeah, like as she said, we just walk around in the rain.
It's known for their range and everything, so walking around at night in campus is the best.
Let's say if you have 500 bucks, you have to spend it in a day in Manipal. How would you spend it?
Well, I think the first 100 I'll spend it on City Arena and here Coin Circle. 250 rupees for movies, ticket and everything, and the remaining 150 for food.
Like a lot of restaurants we can go. Restaurants, and then as she said, movies only. Like
That one thing that you want to tell the freshers who are joining this year.
don't forget your umbrellas
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
you know you got a whole lot of place here to like
In the starting,
around.
the people will be like, wow, the rain is so nice, the weather is so nice. After that, at one point, we just get sick of it. Nahi bhai, aur nahi chahiye.
When we were freshers, we thought there's only the roads, only the
Yeah.
restaurants, nothing else. But there's a hell a lot more. Like you got to go around yourself.
Yeah.
Explore the whole place.
Manipal is good to explore
Yeah.
and everything, going to the beaches and everything. It's very nice.
What's the weirdest excuse you have given for missing a class?
And
Universal reason.
universal.
Like I was sick.
Same. I didn't, not any reason as such. I would just not come, and I was just say, ki I was like not
What's the biggest red flag in a college friend?
talking shit behind our backs.
Girls give the best answer about these.
Speak in Kannada for 10 seconds.
H2. That's all I know.
ಒಂದು ಫಿಶ್ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Maatladda something.
What's one unpopular opinion about Manipal which is not true?
they have a whole lot of stereotype and
Yeah,
like
they're very
Manipal,
stereotypes. Like Manipal ki people, they like do a lot of nasha and everything.
but they show like
But it's not really the case, honestly.
What's one thing Manipal colleges does better than other colleges?
student like
Student life is very nice. Manipal is like a college town, so there are students everywhere. So that I like it. Because the other colleges, they are like in the outskirts of the city. So going around is very difficult.
youthful energy all over the place.
What's the most unnecessary thing that you have spent your money on in Manipal?
There are a lot of things. I would say food.
It is unnecessary.
No, like sometimes a lot I would spend on it. Or even on autos. They charge a lot, like autos.
Autos in Manipal is a scam basically.
They start from 40 rupees, everything for 40. Even from Block 12 to MSAP, they will take 40 rupees, yeah.
You lose half of your assets for auto only.
Yeah,
Yeah, like this was the first year. Be careful with the auto.
yeah,
guys.
auto prices are bad.
Which place in Manipal feels like a second home to you?
Theaters most.
Theaters or like cafes and all, or like just strolling around campus, that's the thing.
Okay, any specific cafe?
Royce.
Royce. Dexter.
Okay, thank you guys.
Subscribe to Manipal Things.